Best flips transform your space with style and comfort. Flip chairs serve as both seating and a bed, making them perfect for small apartments and dorm rooms. They are great for hosting guests, or enjoying a cozy movie night. With various styles and colors available, you can easily match them with your home decor. List number: Micro-Suede Folding Sofa Bed. Transform any space with the Micro-Suede Folding Sofa Bed. Compact design makes it ideal for small rooms. Comfortably switches from a chair to a bed. Dark gray color fits any decor. Equipped with a pillow and back support for relaxation. Perfect for living rooms and bedrooms. Advantages: versatile design. Transforms easily from chair to bed. Ideal for small spaces. Portable convenience. Lightweight and easy to move around your home. List number: Felux Convertible Folding Sofa Bed. Sleeper chair with pillow. Transform any space with the stylish Felux Convertible Folding Sofa Bed. Perfect for small apartments and cozy rooms. Its modern linen fabric in dark gray adds elegance. Easily fold it for a comfy chair or a relaxing bed. Includes a soft pillow for added comfort. Ideal for guests, living rooms, or home offices. Advantages: space-saving design transforms a room in seconds. Comfortable seating and sleeping in one versatile piece. Modern linen fabric adds style to any decor. List number: Micro-Suede Folding Sofa Bed. L-shaped convertible sofa bed. This L-shaped convertible sofa offers versatility and style. Need extra seating or a comfy bed? It effortlessly switches between the two. The included armrest and pillow add extra comfort. Its dark gray color complements any room decor. Perfect for living rooms and bedrooms alike. Advantages: versatile design adapts to any room setting effortlessly. Perfect fit, easily converts from sofa to bed. Saves valuable space. List number: Serta Perfect Sleeper Extra Wide Convertible Sofa to Lounger. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and style with the Serta Perfect Sleeper Extra Wide Convertible Sofa. This versatile 2-in-1 couch easily transforms into a cozy lounger for kids. Crafted in a sleek gray color, it complements any room decor. Soft cushions ensure a snug seating or sleeping experience. Ideal for playrooms or living spaces, it offers both function and fun. Enjoy the ease of maintenance with its durable, easy-to-clean fabric. Advantages: transform any space with this versatile 2-in-1 sofa. Kids enjoy a comfortable seat that flips open to a lounger. Ideal for small rooms. List 5. Carl Home 6-pack black folding chairs with padded seats. Elevate any event with Carl Home's versatile black folding chairs. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use. These chairs feature padded seats for extra comfort. Sturdy steel frames support up to 330 pounds. Effortlessly stackable and portable for easy storage. Perfect for weddings, office events, or parties. Advantages: versatile design suits both indoor and outdoor events. Convenient for any occasion. Durable steel frame ensures lasting strength and reliability. Built to last.